Hi there, students. To caress, caress, a verb, or a caress as a countable noun. Okay, to caress is to touch or stroke gently with affection, with love. So, I caressed my girlfriend's hand to let her know that I loved her. The wind caressed my face. Okay, so to caress. The cat sat in my lap and I caressed the cat's head. To caress a dog, to stroke. It's this gentle, loving movement. You're showing affection. So to caress is a gentle touch, to stroke lovingly and gently. To caress. Now you can use it also to treat kindly or affectionately, but for me it's this stroking gentle touch, the music that caressed my ears, it stroked my ears lovingly. Or I put the chocolate in my mouth and the taste caressed my tongue. Okay, so to touch, to kiss in a gentle and loving way. He gently caressed her cheek. Okay, so to caress, it's a gentle gesture. It's of fondness, of love. To stroke, to touch, to brush your hand against very, very gently. To pet. Yeah, the wind caressed my hair. Okay. Okay. I gave the child loving caresses. The music quietly caressed my soul. Okay, so you can use it metaphorically as well, but it's to touch with tenderness, to touch lovingly, to stroke, to soothe, to hold. She loves being caressed by her boyfriend. The caresses of this delicious chocolate. This caress, it's talking about physical intimacy, but it's a very gentle touch, so that this person knows. Soft music caressing my ears, the wind caressing my face, the lovers caressing each other. She held my arm and gently caressed my fingers. The jockey caressed the horse's neck. Okay, so to caress is a loving movement. So let's see formality to caress. I think I'm going to give it a 6. I think to stroke something slightly less formal, 6 in formality, but I would say use anywhere, although a touch on the more formal side. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, carus, dear, yeah, from Italian, carezza, dear, yeah, but carus, dear, caro mio, my dear. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope my voice has been caressing your ears in English. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To caress.